I have spent the last several days installing that air conditioner in my shop, and it is going to be so much better out here and so much more comfortable as we're in middle summer and it is hot out here. I've got a couple more things to do, like hang this remote control by using the bracket that they gave me so it can hang on the wall and I can get to it. Well, when I hang something on the wall in here, I generally like to find the stud so that I can screw the bracket or the conduit hanger or whatever directly into a wood stud to support it well. And that's what this video is about. It's about how to find those studs. So let's get to it. I'm over at my desk, and that's where I'm going to end up hanging the remote control so I can reach it while I'm doing work on the computer. And normally you'd go to the store and get one of these, an electronic stud finder. Well, you put it up against the wall, and lo and behold, every time I use one of these, the battery's dead. I used to kind of like these, but now I'm starting to really hate them because even when the battery's working, they're kind of finicky. And so I remembered a trick that I learned in the commercial trim world where there's a lot of metal studs everywhere, and you got to find those studs to be able to hang cabinets or, firmly attached trim or what have you. And that's where these come into handy. This is a stack of magnets that I have that are rare earth. I'm going to mispronounce it, Neodymium magnets. They're cheaper rare earth magnets, and you can find them on Amazon. I'll put a link below to the types that these are. I won't put the little disc ones like these. These are like little discs because this was for an old project. I'll put one that's more appropriate for stud finding. But anyway, when you use this, these are strong magnets, and when they attach to sheetrock, or when I attach to sheetrock, you either use nails or you use screws. Either one is metal, or the metal stud. So when you run it up against the wall and it grabs and sticks, there's a screw under there. And 9 times out of 10, that screw or nail is going to be pretty much in the center of that stud, and so you can find that stud. They attach sheetrock anywhere from about 8 inches to maybe as much as 16 inches apart. And so you'll find one of these, every, I don't know, there it is right there. That's about 12 inches apart. And you'll find them about that spacing. So if you need to find your stud underneath that, or if you got a real wide spacing on your screws that you find with the magnet, you just draw a plumb line down to where you need it, and that'll get you right on it. So that's my way of finding studs. I cannot stand these things anymore. I've got 2 of them because I lost one, I needed one, and then I didn't have my magnets because they were lost in the move. And so I had to go buy another one. So I have 2 of these things with the batteries that are dead. I hate using them anyways. And it doesn't matter because I've already found my magnets, and I'll be using these from now on. So I hope you like this tip. This is the best way to find studs in the wall. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.